I'm really scared.
Okay, we'll just go through this door. Yeah,
So what are these guys doing there?
yeah, so we're gonna go talk to your son with you there.
Yeah, no.
And then I'll explain everything, and then you guys are gonna go
Yeah.
and get him out of here. So just keep walking, and it'll be on your
Yeah,
left.
just so you know, you won't to be seeing him again. That's for real.
On your left. This way, yeah. And he should be right in here.
Hey, Jack. How do you like the fine American Port Police?
Okay, go ahead and
This guy's actually really nice.
I tried it. This is Jack's stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Jack. That's right.
So what the heck's going on? Why my lunchbox? Who are you with? 23 on.
Okay, so here's what happened, okay? We have a felony stalking case right now
Yeah.
between somebody
I did not know
that he
about
was
that.
hanging out with.
Okay.
It's between Provo, Orem, American Fork, and Sandy. All felonies.
Who are they stalking anyway?
A person in American Fork. I can't tell who the
Just a
victim is.
person, okay.
Yeah.
It's been a series of a lot of events. The kid you're with, Ben, he's arrested last night for this. Got out of jail, did the same shit today. Felonies. Everyone's facing felonies.
That's pretty serious shit.
It's super serious. We did not expect you to be there. So when we do these things, we have an ops plan. We have a rough idea who we think is going to be there. Pretty much everybody. We
So
talked-
this is a raid, Jack, is what they're doing.
This
Yeah,
was a
I
search
understand.
warrant. Jack had guns pointed in his face. This was a search warrant.
Oh,
They
really?
didn't point them at me, but they had them.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So
but yeah, it's,
he was not supposed to be there.
Okay.
Our question is, I guess, how do you know these guys? Why are we there?
huh?
Why are you there?
Oh, why am I there?
Yeah.
Because my friend told me that there would be like the event thing. He's like, here, come to this address, and like we're gonna do like sidewalk chalk on the neighbor. Like it's like not like the neighbors, but now I learned that it's the neighbor's house.
Yeah.
They're like, let's do sidewalk chalk.
Do you know what the event's for?
They were like, it's a fun. Like after I was there, they were like, after I went back with them,
It's a fundraiser.
so they're just like, here, come back. Like,
They're calling it a fundraiser, right?
yeah, there's like fundraiser for
Gotcha.
like whatever thing's happening with like the guy stole the money or whatever. And
So, by the way, what the heck? How do you meet these people?
Online.
yeah,
Did you meet them online?
no. Well, it's a different Ben, or no, I knew Ben's girlfriend, like a different Ben.
So,
There's
was
a
it
different
that
Ben.
Ben?
Yeah,
Hispanic Ben.
huh? Yeah,
I met him today too.
yeah. That's who I know his girlfriend.
Who's his girlfriend? She's 16.
Yeah,
Okay, I saw her today too.
yeah.
Okay.
So, okay, I got a hand on that one. Okay.
So they were just like, hey, this is what we're doing for this event.
Yeah, they were just like, here, come, let's do sidewalk truck. That's literally what he told me.
Cool. And then you were at the house for how long do you think?
I didn't even stop. I saw you guys and I was like, that's bad news, and I drove off.
No, sorry, at the search warrant house. Just
Oh, at
the
the-
Airbnb.
Since I don't know, after that he was done talking to you guys, he was like, "Here, come back to this house," because I was like,
Okay.
"I'm not." It's like I'm not stopping. I don't know what you guys are like. I'm not trying to talk to the police for whatever you guys are
Yeah.
doing because it's not good.
Yeah.
And so I drove back to his Airbnb, and
And then we shut up.
then I was sitting in there listening to them talk, and I'm like, "Oh, he has stalking. Like he's like stalking this guy." Because before it was like. They were saying it's like, oh, he stole the money. We're trying to get justice, whatever. Like probably what he told you.
Yeah.
So, in other words, he's getting people on his online with
Well,
him.
yeah, he didn't ask.
By the way,
people-
that's
There's people from Illinois that have flown in for this.
No kidding.
It's over $200,000. It's a mass stalking. They're stalking this man in American Fork and his family, his business. They're creating defamatory posters, hanging him on his house.
so. In other words,
they're,
this
they're
poor
showing
guy pretty much went to some big online
Yes,
fucking
and they're
cluster
showing up
deal.
at his house at night.
That's
It's
messed
a
up. Jack.
huge thing.
At night,
Huge
they were
thing.
talking about that. They
Jack,
don't
if
know.
You, Jack, if you can
what
help
is
these
going on.
officers
So-
out at all with charge stuff, like
Yeah.
seriously help them out.
So this is kind of where we're at after talking with Sergeant Stowers, who's head of investigations over there.
Yeah.
Or one of Lieutenant Archuleta's head of
Yeah.
investigations, but Sergeant Stowers, you're not a person of interest, really.
Yeah.
We were surprised when you were there, but everybody who's there is going to cost come to the PD.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah, 'cause
very,
you got
very
it.
large
Yeah.
investigation, okay?
Yeah.
Obviously, we called Dad in. You're a kid. You get to have Dad there. And
Yeah.
I didn't feel I needed to read you your Miranda rights because I am not trying to incriminate you. I
Yeah.
don't You're not a suspect. Okay?
Yeah, see, if he actually would have read your Miranda rights, I would then say my attorney would be here. Look, we're going to go, Jack, and then have a nice day. But he's not. He's trying to get information so he can put these other
Yes, I
guys in jail.
understand. Yes, I understand.
So that's pretty cool
Yes.
of him.
That's where we're at. Dad's gonna be way better at this than I am. Don't hang out with adults.
No,
You were involved in a search warrant with grown ass men. In
Yeah.
there.
That's crazy.
One of those guys or one of those girls. One of them's 26. There's 23. There's older than that.
By the way, that's when you got to watch out because they have nefarious shit going on. When there's somebody who's really old, Jack, like
Yeah, I saw the dude. Yeah.
You're like, what the fuck? That's when you got to
The
stop.
kid
doing
looks
it.
like he's 20 max.
He's not.
Yeah, I know.
The
but
other thing
Schneider,
is,
yeah.
is I know that you've been told all of, oh, it's a fundraiser. This guy
Yeah.
stole $200,000.
Yeah.
If that was the case, that guy would be in jail.
Yeah.
So
No, 'cause
let's
when I
use,
went back
we're
to
going to
the-
use
By
critical.
the way, I
thinking.
had somebody steal 2.9 million. They didn't do anything to him.
Well, I don't know the details of the case, so
Anyways,
I
you
can't.
know,
Really,
she actually stole
can't-
it. She was an employee who stole it and pretty
can't-
much opened the company.
I can't really touch down on that because
Nice.
I don't know the case. But yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You guys have any questions for me? If you guys live in Pleasant Grove, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If follow-up's needed, you'll get.
Yeah, by the
contact-
way,
you'll
the
get
big thing is like
contacted.
if I get anything out of Jack, you know what I mean, that can help you out with the case, you'd be sure that I will definitely help you
Gotcha.
out. Because that's the not kind of cool stuff that I don't like when, you know what I mean, when it's messing with some guy's business and stuff like that.
It's messing with his family, his business.
Yeah,
All of his extended family is
So what the
experiencing
heck is
it.
going on with this guy?
He's a
What, you know,
YouTuber with
whatever.
500,000 followers.
So this is a YouTuber who's gotten out of control.
Yeah, and he sicked his following onto this guy.
That is messed
That's
up.
American work.
I asked him, I was like, so like, are you telling people like to go to this guy's house?
Yes.
Because after I was there, they were like talking about it. I'm like, this. They're like, yeah, I can't go in there anymore. And they're telling me to stop. Because the one girl that you were talking to with Ben and
Yeah,
they were showing me the video, and they were like, yeah, they have like people come to this guy's house. I'm like,
I've been on like
Yeah.
that's the harsh reality of this whole case is you guys are young and YouTubers. I've been videoed by all of you so many times. I'm gonna be on YouTube, hooray! With half a million.
if he posts that, he's an idiot.
500,000 subscribers.
By the way, you know what's
Well,
funny?
he is an idiot,
He
so
doesn't
he actually
understand.
might
He's
post
gonna,
it.
by the way, he doesn't know what Gunnis in prison looks like. I will tell him.
Yeah, I've driven
Gunnis
past
in
it, it's
prison.
not good.
I know the dentist out there because I let him load on my Dylan all the time. He just pulls teeth out. He don't try to fix your smile at all. He just yanks and right the fetching the hell out of your
Yeah.
head. And what's funny, it's like he says, I can tell what people want their teeth because they brush them every day, and they'll have a little cavity. He goes, but the other people, I'm just going to yank it out. And he goes, that's what they think. And by the way, a totally different world. So you can pick the one side, which is his side of things, and help him out, help jackasses that not hurt him.
yeah.
And the good thing is I don't know your name. Every 16-year-old who's a piece of crap around here, I know who they are. I don't know who you are.
By the way,
So,
he's a straight A student
that's what I'm
in
saying.
Pleasant Grove.
It's not an
On
issue.
honor roll.
It happened today. It sucks for you. Had to be done.
I understand.
Hopefully you continue down your life.
Yeah, I'm
Sure.
No, he's going to go to college,
So-
Ivy League school,
that's
or whatever
what-
else. That's why I got real aggressive with whoever's on the line.
That was
You ain't
me.
messing
I
with
was
my
like,
son,
oh
son.
shiz, okay.
I will
What'd
pound
you
you
say
down
to
with the
them?
attorneys from
What did
hell.
you say to them?
By the way, just so you know,
What did he say to you?
I have attorneys.
Yes, I understand
Just
that.
odd
I
mountains
talk
of
about them all the time.
So that's what
It's
we're
because they charge me too much is why.
that's what we're doing. So you guys are free to go.
Hey, okay, no problem. And by the way, yeah, if you need any help, holler, because
Gotcha.
I'm sure Jack would
I-
be more than happy to.
Based off the info we have, you seem extremely uninvolved. I can't imagine there's follow up, but if there is, there will be follow up.
When there was a girl, like a 16-year-old girl, I can tell you why my son was probably there.
Well,
No, that was-
that was the other. So that was kind of alarming. First incident, adult man, 16-year-old girl.
That's
So I
messed up.
told
Yeah, you
her.
better check that
I
out.
told her
I
to
don't
get
know
out of
what-
here. She's not involved.
Yeah.
And then
He
freaking
is,
two
man.
times in one day, I have a 16-year-old guy now, and I'm like, okay, this sucks.
Yeah.
Let's get him out of here.
You missed the police shot there on the radio in your car. They were like, "Yo, make sure you check the radios before they get."
By the way, just so you know, he hasn't got his hair cut since he got straight A's.
Yeah, seriously.
So we haven't let him cut it. You know, how to put it? He's actually trying to see how long he can grow it out because he got straight A's.
Braxton, my
Yeah,
childhood
Braxton.
friend back in Eagle Mountain, he had his hair down to his butt crack pretty much, and then he shaved it.
What they do is they donate their hair to girls
Yeah.
who go bald for cancer.
good.
That's what my other son did it.
My
in
wife's done
high
that.
school.
Not- She doesn't go as short as you, I'm sure, but
Yeah.
she's got long hair.
Oh,
and
you
she
shocked
cuts it.
my son donated his hair was about this long.
Yeah.
She doesn't cut it that short. I mean, when she
Yeah.
does it.
Yeah, she doesn't shave it.
Okay, well, I have no further questions for you guys.
Yeah, well, Sergeant, yeah, Ledward used to be out, did you ever him?
I did not. I'm too new. I've only been here like 2.5 years.
Yeah, you're probably the guy that took that, taking the job. You had heart problems.
Okay, so just go to the right down here. Right there to the right. There we go.
Hey, thanks.
Of course.
Is Pink Box any good?
Yeah, of course.